Hello and welcome. My name is Charlie, and I will be your guide in this journey to learn English. This is episode 1 of our podcast, Everyday American English. You do not need a big grammar book to learn. You can listen to this podcast while you drive, cook, clean, or even take a walk. The goal is simple: to bring real English to your ears in a natural and fun way. Now let's begin our story. It is Saturday morning. Anna needs food for the week, so she goes to the supermarket. The doors open and she takes a cart. The cart is a little noisy, but she laughs and pushes it inside. Anna walks to the fruit and vegetable aisle. She sees red apples, yellow bananas, and green lettuce. She also sees bright oranges and fresh tomatoes. She puts some apples, bananas, and tomatoes in her cart. She thinks, I want to make a salad. Next, Anna goes to the dairy section. The air feels cool here. She sees milk, cheese, butter, and yogurt. She takes a carton of milk and a small yogurt. She also picks one block of cheese. Then Anna goes to the bakery section. The smell of bread is very strong. She sees white bread, whole wheat bread, and sweet bread. She takes one loaf of whole wheat bread and one small cake. After that, Anna walks to the meat section. She sees chicken, beef, and fish. She chooses some chicken breasts and puts them in her cart. She also stops at the drink section. She takes a bottle of orange juice and a small bottle of water. Finally, Anna goes to the cashier. The cashier smiles and says, "Hello. Did you find everything okay?" Anna answers, "Yes, thank you." The cashier scans her items and says, "That will be $42." Anna pays with her card. The cashier says, "Have a good day." Anna smiles and says, "You too." Anna leaves the supermarket with her bags. She feels happy because now she has food for the week. That is the end of Anna's shopping trip. Now let's review some useful words. Aisle, the long way between shelves. Cart, the basket with wheels. Cashier, the person who takes your money. Loaf, one whole bread. Dairy, the place for milk, cheese, butter, and yogurt. Chicken breasts, pieces of chicken meat. Juice, drink from fruit. Now let's practice some simple phrases. Repeat after me. How much is the milk? How much is the milk? I want some chicken. I want some chicken. Yes, thank you. Yes, thank you. Say these sentences out loud. Do not worry if you make mistakes. Speaking helps your mouth and your brain work together. Here's a tip. The next time you go shopping, think of Anna in this story. Look at the fruits, the bread, the milk, the cashier, and say the words in English in your mind. You can even whisper them softly. This will help you remember faster. And that brings us to the end of episode 1. Today we followed Anna in the supermarket, saw many products, and learned easy words and phrases. This is Charlie, your English guide. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye for now.